This is just a random row of old, I don't know if they're all Fords or what. This is a pretty cool old truck. 65. It's an Impala, so it's not all Ford. Thunderbird. Yeah, it needs to be crushed. Little, what is this called? TR7 or something like that? Shape of Things to Come was the ad. Yeah, TR7. That's right. Old, is this a Ranchero? That's 67. I do not know what this is. Charger, 73 Charger, shit. You don't see these in the junkyard. I guess 73 wasn't the real popular year, I don't think. Back then it was a bloated gas hog. Looks like it has suicide doors. The steering wheel's even roached. Somebody probably needs that somewhere. It is complete. What is this thing? Buick Electra, 1961. This, I have no idea what this thing is. Some sort of kid car. Fiberglass. I wonder what that was supposed to be. Mercedes. And last or not least, but not least, is I can't read that. 280Z, I can't see the year. 81 280Z. This is pretty much. There's some instruments that are good if anyone's in this area. Nothing really else. If you're looking for that electric grill.